Hi, Sam. I'm just going to take you through what I see when I look at your stuff. So this is your name, and this is what you're working on. So I tried to make it go all the way back. So we started this. I guess this is where we first started. So I can see um, this. Some of this stuff I think is are videos though. So I'm looking back. I'm seeing this is not done. If it's a star, it's really hard to see if it's a star. It's an activity you have to do. So I can see like there's videos you didn't watch. Okay. These are two videos you skipped over, but you did the assignments and looks like you did really well. So that's okay. I'm only really looking at the stars. So I'm noticing that this you did. Simplifying square roots, you did that. Good. Okay. I'm not so worried if it's late or not. You did this. That's really good. That's really good. Okay. And then we get to this one you didn't get done yet. I know it's due last week. Okay. So it looks like you have this one to do, and then this is due this week if you can get to it. Okay. So it really only looks like this one task right here. Interpret exponential expressions word problems. I just wanted to show you so you could see what I'm looking at.